The simple and best way for you to withdraw money in your trading account, it's quite simple. Now we've managed to deposit, okay? So we're gonna go to what? We're gonna go to this icon over here, which is the three dot icon that you see. This is the three dot icon that you see here. This one, okay? And then we're gonna go to what? Withdraw, okay? This is IC Market, by the way. If you don't have an account with IC Markets, the links are provided, and if you don't see any of those links, please reach out to me. Okay, now with the IC Markets, the withdrawal, depending on the method that you want to withdraw into, remember, whenever you have to withdraw, the money must be withdrawn from your trading account, and it's a process which is the finance team from IC Markets. They need to confirm that you're withdrawing and then approve your withdrawal, given that you have not done anything illegal in terms of the money that you have used to deposit. If it's actually coming from your it came from your bank account or your account, okay? Whether you're using Nutella, whether you're using Skrill, whether you're using whatever method. So brokers, they are different because they are offering services, okay? So now we have IC Markets, okay? And we have what we call secure credit card, which is safe charge. Safe charge is a charge that they're not going to charge you anything, given that they are going to give you a refund of the money that you deposited first before you withdraw with other methods, okay? Such as method that we have PayPal, we have Skrill, we have Nutella, we have bank transfer, we have bank transfer international, and we have bank transfer which is SEPA, which is covering the European countries. We have Visa, which is directly, but then which is Visa, some banks in our country, South Africa, they're not accepting that. But then in different countries, maybe they may still be using such. EFT transfer by SWIFT. Remember, when you transfer by SWIFT, there are charges, and those charges maybe you'll not be happy with. So I don't recommend this. What I recommend PayPal. If you're in South Africa, you can use PayPal, given that you have withdrawn everything that you have deposited with safe charge first. And then once you've managed to do that, you can use PayPal to link it to your FNB account. If you don't have an FNB account, provided links in the description below for you to actually be able to open an account, or contact them so that you can be able to have an account, okay? Because it's simpler to use the PayPal. And when you use PayPal, when you withdraw, you don't withdraw. The reason for withdrawing on PayPal will be based on commission base, okay? And that's a lesson for another day, okay? Now, on safe charge here, you withdraw the amount of money that you've managed to deposit. So you're going to choose the card that you have used. So in this case, we're going to choose the card that we have, which is this card. So in this card, I've managed to deposit £1, which is I'm able to withdraw this amount of money. So I'm going to click on 1, and then I'll be able to withdraw this money. But then the other methods for you to withdraw, okay? The other methods for you to withdraw. So we're going to click on submit. And these are the terms and conditions on how they process this amount of money, okay? Now, if you have any difficulties, you can see the cut time here, which is 12 EST, which is based on the Australian time, okay? And now, if it's 12 here, that means that you need to withdraw before, okay? You need to withdraw before the time of 3 a.m. in the morning, South African time, okay? Now, you can go through that, read it, and also the bank transfer, which is local, is only saving the Australian traders, not for other traders that are outside of Australia. And then you can click on submit. Now we will click on submit. Once we click submit, we'll get an email to confirm that we are withdrawing, and which is quite simple. And we're just gonna take only a few moments, and then we need to actually confirm, and then we have to confirm our withdrawal, and then we're going to confirm. Once we confirm our withdrawal, it will be able to it will take time for it to process. So now we're gonna scroll down to see if it's already processing. Okay, now this is the amount of money that we managed to withdraw, which is £1. You can see secure credit card, safe charge, remaining amount is $1. Processing. Once you see like this, they're gonna process the money within the 5 working days. But then they're gonna process it given that you've managed to withdraw before the cut-off time there, which is the 12th that they've mentioned here. Okay, now with the other brokers, which just derive, we can come to cashier, come to withdrawal, okay, and then click on send email. Once you have managed to send email, when you withdraw, remember, if you manage to deposit with the credit card, let's click on here. If you manage to deposit with the credit card, you will be able to have an option to withdraw. But then on Derive, you must make sure that at least you have used Nutella, you have used Grill, you have used other platform, other methods, such as other methods that we can actually mention that we saw that side of deposit, such as also. Okay, these are the methods that I've managed to use to deposit money. As you see, this is what I recommended. Okay, now we're gonna actually withdraw what one. Let's just let's see the minimum withdrawal here on also is 10. So we're just gonna remove what 10. Okay, gonna go to also. Now I'm gonna select the bank, okay, which is Capitec Bank. You can click here to choose any bank that you're using, that you have used and you've managed to deposit with. So we're gonna click on request payout, and then the payout will be requested, simple as like that. But for now, I don't want to withdraw any amount of money here. Okay, so that's with Derive, which is quite simple. Now we go back to FX View, come to this 3-dot icon over there. We're gonna come to manage account, and okay, we're gonna come to wallet. We're gonna come to wallet, and then we're gonna go to withdraw. Okay, now on withdrawal, we need to have amount of money here for us to be able to withdraw. So it's not that difficult. If you have any difficulties, reach out to me. Let me assist you much better. And for those who are actually confused with how to deposit, how to withdraw, and anything that you're having difficulties with, please talk to me. With that being said, I love you all. Stay blessed, stay tuned, and I'll see you on another lesson where we learn about trading the chart and how to analyze so that you can be able to do this in a better way. I love you all. Stay blessed.